Hello everyone. So now we have created the vendor master record at purchasing org level only. Now if the scenario comes and we need to update or accounting department is ready with the accounting related data and they want to extend the same vendor master record to the accounting level. So in that case what we will do, we have the another transaction code for accounting purpose only, that is FK01. You can utilize this vice versa also. If someone wants to create vendor master record at accounting level only or company code level only, so he can utilize or use the transaction code FK01 firstly. Then if he wants to update the purchasing level data also, then he can use the transaction code MK0, vice versa. Okay, company code level. In this scenario, what we did, firstly, we created the vendor master record at purchasing organization level. Now we are extending or adding the company code level data in the same vendor master record. And earlier, what we did, all three records like purchasing org level, company code level, and general data, we created in one go only. Okay. So as per the scenario, you can utilize the different transaction code in ECC only. So now we have the vendor already. We have the vendor. Okay, which is 335, which is created. We have the number and general data and purchasing or level data already updated. Just we want to add the company code level data for the accounting activity. So in that case what we'll do, go back again, log in. Okay, you can utilize the T code FK01, click on enter, provide the vendor number because we already created the vendor number. Now you are utilizing the T code FK01. That's why here directly company code is coming and not the purchasing org level. Okay, provide the company code, provide the group, click on enter. Once you click on enter, see directly the accounting related information screen is appearing and not the general data or purchasing level data because that is already updated in the last T code only, MK01. So this is how the flow will go. If you want to update firstly the purchasing related data only for the purchasing activity, go with the T code MK01 and utilize that vendor master record. Later on you understand, no, we have to update the accounting related information also, or we want to extend the same vendor master record for the accounting or company code level data as well. In that case you can utilize the FK01 and vice versa. Okay, so in FK01 you can update the tech accounting related details whichever mandatory I am updating here. You can easily understand all these fields by clicking on the F1, or you can check the my last lecture about the creation of vendor centrally. Once done, click on enter. Payment terms you can update, click on enter, click on enter and save the details. Now here you can see the same vendor was created for the company code. Earlier it was created for the purchasing organization. See, if I put it here and show you, earlier the vendor was created for the purchasing organization level only because we utilized the T code MK01 which is for purchasing organization level only. Now we extended the same vendor master record at company code level. So in this case, now we have completed all the data, purchasing org level, general data and company code level data as well. Now that vendor master record is completed. Okay, with all the data whichever required, general data, purchasing org level data and company code data. So now this vendor you can open it or display it centrally with the help of xk03 slash n xk03. See, here you will get both the option company code and uh, purchasing org. You can select all relevant data, click on enter, and here if you click on enter, you will see payment transaction or general related data. It is already updated. Accounting is already updated, and as well as here you can see last one purchasing data is already updated. So this way we can update each and everything. If you see here, see, transaction related data is not updated. Okay. payment transaction related data, that you can easily go to the transaction code xk02, select the relevant one, payment transaction in company code data, click on enter, go to the payment transaction screen. Okay, this is not the correct screen, so payment transaction is coming under the general data. Go to that, click on enter, and here you can update your relevant payment transaction details. Okay, click on enter, bank key, enter, and click on save. So this way you can utilize different T codes, xk01 for centrally, mk01 for purchasing org level, or fk01 for company code level, combination of these two T code to update the data separately once the vendor is created. Okay, so in this way we have completed the end user activity for the vendor master record in the version of ACP ECC. Okay, now the next term will go with the business partner function related things configuration, which is same in both ECC as well as S4 HANA. And meantime, we'll add one more concept of partner function, which we have not updated while creating the end user activity or creating the vendor master record in ECC. So our next lecture will start with the business partner. Okay, thank you.